What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far and a great morning. In this video, we will take a look at SUI again. I covered this yesterday as well, but since yesterday we actually did get that bullish breakout. We got to the price target around 62 cents right here, and currently the price is actually pretty interesting. Like we're seeing some bearish momentum from Bitcoin. As you can see right here, but SUI is still technically very bullish. It's still possible to get up towards 65 cents. It's even still technically possible to get up to 0.7, but it seems to me that the price is a little bit exhausted from here. So we'll talk about that. We'll kind of see what's possible and what's most likely from here. But in general, I think there's a lot of trade opportunities for SUI. So I think there's a lot of value in this video. At least that's what I hope. But we'll talk about that. So before we dive into SUI specifically, I do want to mention that I have my own trading, premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades. So if I would take a trade on SUI, I would share it there. And I've been a profitable trader since quite a long time. So if you want to join that, if you want to receive my trades, but also receive access to an exclusive chat room full of traders and my training guide, everything for one price, then check out the links down in the description or go to cilinix.com. All right, so first of all, onto SUI, some circumstances which I think you need to know is that SUI is most likely manipulated. And you can see that with the volume, where that's coming from, quite a lot of volume coming from UpBit, Top Credit, SuperX. Usually if a lot of volume is coming from those sources, which in this case, I think it's like over 50%. Usually it's manipulated, and that's also why I think SUI has been this bullish. Now, in terms of price, that doesn't matter that much. I mean, manipulation can still mean that it will be bullish, could also still mean that it's going to be bearish. So, if we take a look at SUI right now, volume is still very high, around $300 million. I think if you compare that with other cryptos, it's very high. But it is dropping down a little bit. So that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. So the easiest way in which I could describe SUI right now, which I will do, is the following. And therefore I do need to make this chart a little bit clearer. What we're seeing is that we're very bullish. We got a bullish breakout above that 200 EMA. All right, so technically we are fine. However, I do think we need to hold certain levels. Like right now we're seeing some bearish momentum, also fueled by Bitcoin. So we're going to retest the 200 EMA, which we have already done quite a bit, and we did not get enough bullish momentum from there to really break above our main resistance level around 61.3 cents, where that 0.5 fib is. So what we'll do is we will probably drop down towards this level right here, around 58 cents, and technically between 57.5 cents and 58.5 cents. So what's going to happen is that we'll drop down to that level, and then from there we're going to find support, but we need to find some strong support. Like we need to break above 60 cents from there. If we can do that, then I'm convinced we can get up to 64 and 65 cents. All right, so it is, I would say it's also still the most likely scenario that this will happen, that there's enough support to actually break above 60 cents again, get more bullish momentum, and get up to that next price target around the 0.618 fib, around 65 cents. I think that's the most likely scenario for now, but it's always good to be prepared for all scenarios. So at this point of time, if we drop down to that level between, like I said, 58.5 and 57.5 cents, and we just find resistance at the 200 EMA / the 0.6 cents level, what will happen then is that's bearish confirmation. And then all of a sudden, it's possible to break down below 57 cents. And if we break down below 57 cents, we'll drop down all the way to 52 cents again. So yeah, at this point of time, I would still say it's more likely to be bullish, but there are certain confirmations we need to get in the next like 24, 48 hours to really keep this bullish momentum up. Because if we get that bearish confirmation, if we get that bearish breakout below the 200 EMA and we do not retake that, that's bad news. So that's my take on SUI for now. I'll monitor this closely, but for now, this is my take on it this morning. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.